The helicopter starts up and takes off. What's the purpose of this helicopter?
Help me blow away this pile of leaves.
Okay.
Wow, it's impressive! The layer of the leaves is blown away, revealing dangerous drops. The bandit's price to pay. In the lumbering area, there's a suspicious figure lurking and observing. Ah, a bandit! He is stealing wood. The theft seems to have gone unnoticed. It's the forest ranger station.
Hey, let's go.
Goodbye! How will the thief escape from here? He backs up his vehicle and takes another route. Dangerous territory. A path covered with leaves. Nothing happens. It's a trap!
Help me! Help! Help me!
Help me!
Oh!
Trouble ahead.
No. Go!
Hello! Help me!
Okay.
Hulk operates the bridge, rescuing the vehicle of the bandit from the trap. The rescue mission is successful. Everything returns to normal.
Thank you.
There are probably more traps here. Brother, I need your help.
At Captain's house.
Okay, I'm coming.
Wow, the rescue team comes to Captain's aid. The helicopter starts up and takes off. What's the purpose of this helicopter?
Hello!
Help me blow away this pile of leaves.
Okay.
Wow, it's impressive! The layer of the leaves is blown away, revealing dangerous drops. Well, we have work to do now.
Hello, I need a sand truck.
Okay.
Hello!
The excavator loads sand onto the tractor's truck bed. Certainly, the road will need a lot of sand.
Okay. Let's go.
Oh, hello!
Let's get to work and fill the trucks. One truck filled. Another one filled. Just like that, the road becomes safer. Wow, absolutely safety.
Okay, let's go.
Oh! Ow! No!
This is the outcome for the bandit. Is it at Luigi's house?
Luigi, I want to borrow your pencil drill. Okay, sure.
Let's go.
Thank you, Luigi. No problem.
Do they want to drill a path through the water pipe? Half of the task is done. Water pipe of friendship. Whoa! Mario's world. Is Mario planning to pick mushrooms? Which mushroom will Mario choose? Oh, does Mario know that the beautiful mushrooms can be poisonous? Oh no!
What's happening to me?
Oh my! Mario turned into a giant.
Oh no! What should I do?
His steps are heavy. Mario can control his giant body. The water pipe is thrown away.
Oh no!
Be careful with the mushroom. Oops!
Oh heavens! What have I done?
In the real world, the water pipe falls, and the poisonous mushroom. Is something big is about to happen? A giant water pipe blocks the way.
Oh, it's over.
Mario jumps down after it.
Hey!
Hawk's truck is coming. I wonder how Hawk will handle this.
What's this?
Oh,
Who are you? What's going on like this?
Mario tells the story to Hawk.
Unbelievable!
A shovel? Mario uses a shovel as a lever to lift the water pipe.
Sorry, I can't. My friend, I need your help.
The excavator is here. Perhaps it can help.
Hello!
Can you help me move this water pipe? Okay, I'll try.
First time, the water pipe doesn't budge. Again, it shakes a bit. Like this. The excavator still can't topple the water pipe.
Aw, I tried my best.
Goodbye.
What should we do now?
Aha!
Hold on tight.
Where is Hawk taking Mario? To the supermarket?
Hello, hello!
Do you have something that can turn a big pipe into a small one? There's one thing. Very secret.
Whoa!
Thank you so much. keep it as a secret. Agreed.
The two return to the water pipe. Mario, don't be clumsy. Oh no! It's done! All the powder spilled. Surprise yet? Mario has shrunk back. But the medicine is all gone.
Do you have more medicine? I only have $1.
Oh, where is Mario going? Is it at Luigi's house?
Mario, what's going on? Luigi, I want to borrow your pencil drill. Okay, sure.
Whoa, very impressive.
Let's go. Thank you, Luigi. No problem.
Now, let's see how the pencil drill works. Do they want to drill a path through the water pipe? Half of the task is done. Yeah, the path has been opened. Well done, Mario.
Okay, yeah.
See you again, my friend. Thank you, Mario.
So Hawk has gained a new friend, Mario.
Mario, I'll handle the big rock. Okay.
Mario and the mission to rescue Goldfish. On a slope, Hawk is doing his job.
Oh, my stomach.
No.
A rolling rock swiftly descends the slope.
Oh no! A fish! The water tank breaks.
Oh, this can't be.
At Mario's garden.
Hello!
Luigi, help me water the fruit garden.
Sure, I've prepared a full bucket of water.
The watering truck starts working. Oh, the fish from earlier.
Huh? What's going on?
Luigi is extremely surprised to see the school of fish.
Why are the fish here?
Hey! Aren't these the fish from the pond over there?
We'll take them home.
Go! Go, 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 go!
The Mario brothers transport the school of fish back to the water tank.
Hello! Oh my gosh!
The big rock broke the water tank.
We have work to do now.
What will the Mario brothers do to help the school of fish?
Mario, I'll handle the big rock.
Okay.
The crane truck operates, lifting the big rack out of the tank.
This broken tank needs to be replaced. The excavator approaches, dragging a new tank.
Hello!
Wow, a fish-shaped water tank. Lovely pink. The excavator pushes sand, stabilizing and smoothing the area around the tank. A new, beautiful, and impressive water tank.
Wow!
Of course, we need to pump water into the tank. Congratulations to the school of fish on their new home. They seem delighted.
Well done, brothers. Yeah, yeah.
Mario and the magical antenna. Luigi is carrying a TV.
I'm back. I just bought a TV. I'm sure you will all love it.
Oh, a TV? That's fantastic!
We
love it! Hooray! Just a bit more. There you go. Okay.
Wow, a movie about Mario. Everyone watches the movie attentively, laughing and enjoying. Suddenly, dark clouds gather. Thunder roars. Oh no! Lightning strikes a herd of cows. The cow seems uneasy. They panic and start to destroy everything.
Oh, my new TV.
To ensure safety, everyone quickly runs away. The herd of cows becomes aggressive. Oh, Luigi!
Luigi, what's going on?
I don't know what to do with the cows. Stay calm. Wait for me. Huh?
A levitating tree? What is he planning to do? At Luigi's house, everything is in chaos, and the herd of cows is still dangerous.
Hey.
Wow, a magic levitating tree! Many bundles of grass fall down. Cows rejoice. They must be very hungry. Everyone gets a share.
Thank you. I'm here.
The cows are lifted onto the track one by one. Where's Luigi taking them?
Bye.
Hello, boss.
Hello.
I want to exchange cows for a signal tower.
Okay.
The transaction is complete. Luigi has a signal tower.
I really like the herd of cows.
And I really like watching TV. Goodbye.
Luigi is back! Yeah!
Now we have a signal tower to watch TV.
Oh, but how does it work?
The excavator arrives. Starts digging a hole. Next is the concrete mixer truck. Yahoo! Does the concrete make the signal tower more stable and secure? The final step. And it's complete. Will the TV receive a clear signal?
Let's continue watching movie.
Wow, vivid sound, clear images. You like it, don't you?